We got a new fear that's being injected into the market right now. And if you take a look, the market is selling off after hours. Robinhood stock is down 5.77%, and we're continuing to go down. Where's this going to go? So today we actually bounced up a pretty good amount all the way to $37.85, nearly $38. But where this is going to go next, we'll be covering that in this video. And what's this new fear? So this new fear is that the tariffs that were implemented are going to be put in place on tomorrow at midnight. So we were kind of hoping that some negotiation would happen and it wouldn't come to this, but the deadline's right here, and that's the main reason for why the market is selling off. If we take a look on the 4-hour time frame, we are getting to that point where we're almost oversold. But this is the current support from the previous low is 29.66, and we still got a decent way to go. We'll see how much we'll sell off tomorrow or if we're going to bounce. But we do have some really, really good news coming out. Not tomorrow, but the day after tomorrow on Thursday, I believe 8:30 in the morning, the inflation report's coming out. And that is looking to be really, really good. They've actually brought the numbers down even more. It should be now at 2.5% from 2.8% to 2.5. So we're almost at that point where they're going to be lowering interest rates soon, because we've been going down quite a bit. And market loves when interest rates come down, because that money gets injected back into the market. That could we can potentially have one more sell day tomorrow. And then after that, we could start seeing some bounces. Not guaranteed, but we could start seeing some bounces, and that could be the turning point. And then from there, we'll see what happens with the tariffs. But I think that's going to be the turning point. So I am going to try to buy a position at this, closer to this support, right under $30. If we go right under $30, I'm buying a position. But the goal is, I know that's still quite a ways down. I don't want to buy a position when a lot of fears are being injected. I would rather wait this out, especially us being in the middle like this, because the resistance up there and the supports here. I kind of want to get it close, at least, to this zone here, especially, like I said, with all this fear being injected. And I believe we're pushing, yeah, we're almost at that low on the day, 32, pretty much just trading right at $32. So, plus, take a look at this. We're on the 4-hour. We're almost in that extreme oversold zone. And if we sell off more tomorrow, we're going to fall into that zone. And Thursday, when the inflation report comes out, if it's good news like it's supposed to be, imagine what are the odds? Like, we always see this stuff and we always think, what are the odds? But the news always comes out like a pattern. And we're going to be oversold. Good news comes out, we're going to bounce right back. And this is why I think we're going to have a bounce, especially with this support here. We're already oversold a lot. We're due to a bounce here pretty soon. Bitcoin's at 76. We got Ethereum at 1,400. We're now down, so right around almost 6%. But I would just be careful tomorrow. It's not going to hurt to just wait it out. It's not going to hurt. You don't have to trade every single day. You guys can if you want to, but I choose to just stay out for one more day. I might buy a position if we get under $30, but I don't know if we're going to get there. We might, but I will put an order in to buy like right under 30, right above this support, and hopefully try to bounce, right back to these levels and then sell, take my profit. But yeah, subscribe. I will keep you guys updated. I'll be up on the news and making sure that everything with this stock is going as planned and keeping up with all the tariff stuff. So make sure, if you guys have any questions, make sure to comment, subscribe, and I will reply to every single comment. See you guys tomorrow.